Stop, stop, stop. Why is this thing stuck in the ground? What the fuck? I don't think this guy can live on his own. He's either fucking dead or he's dying. Okay, let's see if we can get some sort of fucking box for this motherfucker. Literally just like looking out the window, and I saw a cat just like toying with something in the backyard, right? I'm just like, what the fuck is he doing? I thought like a little cat doing stuff, being an apex. I start filming him. And then I'm like, why is he standing in this one spot for so long? What the fuck is he after? So I go outside and I check and I see there's some sort of like dead looking bird in the grass, right? So I grab the rake and I just try to rake it out so he doesn't fucking eat it and get stuff. And it looked like it was like missing its legs or some shit. All of a sudden I start hearing chirping. Like, what the fuck? So I start looking in and it looks like it's a fucking bird with no legs. But then I look in and it's like this fucking bird that like, he looks kind of injured.
Oh god.
And he looks like hella wet and he's like shivering and shit. But like, I managed to get him out. But the problem is like, I looked under his belly and they look like they're like bloodied up. I don't know how bad it is. I didn't get to get a good look. I think he looked more cold than anything, but it might just be he's cold and there's, you know, he's dying at the same time. He was like stuck in the grass, like way. And the thing is, like, he kept poking his fucking head into the grass. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but he would like, after I got him out of the grass, I tore away some of the grass. He started moving around and kept burrowing his head into the grass. It was so hard just pulling him off the grass and putting him into the box because he was just resisting so fucking much. I don't know why, he just wanted to, it's like he wanted to be in the fucking ground. He's still trying to fucking burrow into the ground. He looks like he's no longer shivering as much as before. He's warmer in the house. I don't know if that means he's getting warmer and not shivering, or he's just closer to dying, but... I don't really see any significant injuries on him. Let me shine some light onto this guy. He actually looks fine. Look, there's no problem on this side. Why he's trying to burrow into the bottom of the box, I'll never figure it out. He was trying to burrow into the ground with his head. He wouldn't come out. Cat clearly could have fucked this guy up pretty hard, but he did not. As soon as I put him in the house, he was like meowing and shit. I guess like a sign of concern, more so than where's my food. And he can like tear this motherfucker up really quick. It's tiny. I don't know what to think. Like, why is he tilted to one side? But at the same time, why is he trying to fucking borrow into the corner of the box like a fucking demon? If he has the fucking cool dude. So it looks like he stopped borrowing into the corner of the box. And he's took a shit. Now what? Fork knife? Tomatoes? So it looks like this bird has regained full health. Or at least partial. Oh shit. Are you gonna jump around my house and fucking go nuts now? Are you ready to go out? Alright. What we can do is we can try to change the position of the cat with the bird. So we take the cat inside, we put the bird outside. That way if the bird decides he wants to fly, he doesn't shit into your house.
Perhaps you should still wait a couple hours.
Yeah, but you can put him in the porch, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's try that. You go grab the cat. I'll go take this guy out on the porch. Come on, let's go. See you later, Mr. Cat. Go look for Bird. Oh, it's okay. He's the hero that found Bird in the first place, so he deserves to maul if he wants. As long as you don't get snatched up by Karen's cats here. What if we close this box up? Maybe give you some food. What the fuck do you eat? Scares the shit out of me. No, if he can do that, that means he's got fucking moves like Jagger now. So. Oh shit. See that? Chirp. Well, if you can get yourself out of that box, you're ready to go. So, good luck with the task at hand. I can chill here to guard off some cats, I guess. You fucking bird. This dude was a goner fucking 2 hours ago. Maybe he's still a goner. I don't know. He's still trying to fucking borrow into this box. It's okay. Oh. What's up with you, man? Perhaps it is time for Bear to fly. What do you think, Cat? Should bird fly away? No. Oh man, he made the box. Making the porch. Is he gonna make it off? Just less than 3 hours ago, this guy was fucking dead though. But now... What's up with you, man? Nice chilling downstairs. Maybe in theater, but can't see them. So sick. What's next, Birdman? Wanna go back in the box for now? Is this enough for one day? I can't chill there forever, Bird. You either gotta go back or you gotta go forward. Don't want to get stalked by the wrath. We let him out now. He's probably gonna come stop you. He has every right to. Are you gonna let that happen? You're alright, right? Let's take off. You look too fat to fucking fly, to be honest. Maybe you should chill there and dry off for a bit. Should we come check in on you later, or do we stick around? I guess we have to stick around. What are you up to? Contemplating life? Whether it's worth to go out into the COVID world, or just say fuck it and get stopped by your creator. You look like one of them angry birds, dog. You an angry bird? Let's go out to see what you do. He's not there anymore. Hey. Some sense of smell you got, homeboy. Look. He's right here. The holes are right here. You can observe from here, but not much further. Yeah, I know. He's purring, but I don't know if he's purring because I found his catch for him, or if I saved this bird for him. But we can't risk that, can we? Not with this apex predator here. Apex predator. I got you. What are you reaching for? Are you gonna fucking swipe him? Swipe or no swiping, bro? No. I don't know if the camera's picking up on purring, but... it's pretty jolly. Do you want a friend, or should you go away? Are you gonna eat your friend if you have a friend? You're not gonna eat your friend, are you? You saved him. So he jumped off the porch. Down here. Right into there. He's trying to just dive deeper into these weeds. Like, stop. These are dangerous, man. Come out here. Why did you crawl back in the same spot, bro? That's so strange. You can set up a little spot for you there. Oh, he's outie. This guy's still looking. Also for food. You're not gonna crawl back into the weeds, are you? That was more like a decent leap than a fall. Yeah? Back into the weeds we go. What the fuck? This bird has some of the strangest behaviors for a bird. Just like this damn cat. I think the bird shat on my glove while I was picking him up. That looks like bird shit. It's pretty intriguing. Alright, so we're down by the weeds. Putting my shit glove on. Looking for the bird who likes to hide in between the weeds. Have you spotted him? There he is. Do you hear the cat trying to get out of the door? So sick. Alright, I think he's made up his mind about how he views this transaction. Some sort of weird game of hide and seek you agree to with this cat in which you can't fly. Otherwise, none of this makes a whole lot of sense. Come here, buddy. Ooh. There you go. Oh. Looks like all you need is a fucking little push, eh? It's not in damn weeds. Alright, you know what? I think he's gone through one of the cracks in the fence. But I can hear him. Alright, we gotta hunt this guy down, I think. I don't think he can be running around this place. He can't fly. After many minutes of digging out the fucking weeds from here, we found the fucker? Where'd he go? Oh, I guess he's gone. He kind of likes to fucking hide, doesn't he?
Oh, there's another bird coming through. I wonder if it's a baby.
Maybe he can fly off with this guy.
Oh, maybe he's from that nest. Oh,
I don't know. He just can't get it done, eh?
yeah.
Does he look to you like he can, like eventually?
It's funny to say because it looks like his wings aren't big enough. You know, almost like
He's too chubby for his wingspan. Yeah.
something going on there. If he's a baby.
Was that him?
No, it's the other one trying to help him.
Alright, I don't know if I should go catch him or just let him be.
Well,
I think I put him in the box for like a day or two, yeah? I don't know, as long as he doesn't get caught, I think he's okay, right?
yeah, because he can make noise and I think he can probably still eat.
Yeah, I saw him eating some stuff.
There's grubs in here. Got fertilizer on it now, but he likes some grubs at that. Where did I see some grubs? Oh, over here.
Alright, so I let the bird go, mainly because, you know, he ran away, and I decided to give him the freedom that he seems to be seeking. But if you guys want to see more of me for whatever reason, you can follow my main channel on YouTube at UberTuber, link in the description. Please and thank you. I will leave you guys with some footage of the hero cat that's looked like he's changed his mind in post-production and trying to make the hunt happen. Pretty funny stuff. Thanks. Yes, you're too stupid to figure this out. Yes. What the fuck? Am I right? No, he's not there. He's gone, remember? No. Perhaps it is time for bear to fly away. What do you think, Cat? Should bear fly away? No. Now you are super confused. Oh man, he made the blocks. Would you like to provide some commentary on your service? Making the boards. Is he gonna make it all? Mister? Just less than 3 hours ago, this guy was fucking fed though.